Ooh, they're gonna feel that in the morning.
Just went through a red light.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh yeah, just go straight ahead from a turn left lane.
Say my name.
There's a few for Scotty.
You're goddamn right.
What a fucking idiot. Ranger. Typical.
Straight to your phone. Instant up-to-date feedback. No finger pricks. How good is that? And you can trial Freestyle Libre for only $15. Just head to freestylelibre.com.au to find out how. T's and C's apply. Follow directions for use. Read warnings before purchase. Free yourself from finger pricks with Freestyle Libre. We're at the top of the hour. Libre. We're at the top of the hour. It's time to kick off the work shoes and slide into the oak boots for Lionel Richie. Coming up, it's Cam Dano and your easy place to relax. As promised, here's Savage Garden on Smooth.
If it doesn't, there's always adult cordial. Gold 104.3. Better music and more of it.
School zones are now in operation, so please drive carefully.
A few moments later.
Life. So getting it treated the right way can change everything. At Cabrini, you can choose from some of Australia's top surgeons who'll treat you using our state-of-the-art technology.
What the fuck?
With shorter waiting times, and you can do your rehab on-site or at home with compassionate expert care. Cabrini, for your total orthopedic care. Visit cabrini.com.au.
There's a professional driver, let him in. Whoa! Holy crap! Holy shit! Oh! Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Jesus.
This is a city street, not a drag strip, thank you.
Got you on the camera. Got you on camera.
That was a real asshole.
Double white lines. Unbelievable. Oh, doing a legal turn. I'll try it. Double white lines.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Wankers once used mobile phones, but now that's sort of changing. And yobs once lived in cottage homes. Ain't social change amazing? If a yob and wanker want a girl, the wanker guy will get her. Both of them are equally ugly. The wanker hides it better.
I might have second thoughts on Scotty.
But he's got to suck it up, unfortunately.
Whoa, shit! Bloody hell, that was good driving by the truck driver. Almost cleaned someone. You fucking cockhead. There's another one for Scotty. Here's another one for Scotty. There's one for Scotty. Oh, Scotty's going to have a field day. Oh, Cadillac. Hold on. Oh, Maury!
There you go, Scotty. Here they all are. Well, some of them anyway. Oh, the old tag. Oh, yeah. It's a Mark 10. I don't think it could be. And here's our second and third victim.
Oh, look at what's coming up behind us. Out to the right.
What's that, Ferrari? And he would smoke.
Oh, that's the front engine one.
Yeah.
They're worth a squillion.